Hello and welcome to German Lessons with Mr. Ferguson. Hallo und herzlich willkommen zum Deutschunterricht mit Herrn Ferguson. Die erste Stunde, the first lesson, ist die Begrüßungen, basic German greetings. Now, the first thing most people want to do when they learn a new language is to say hello. And in German, there are two main ways to do this. These are Hallo and Guten Tag. Guten Tag literally means good day and can be used at any time of the day. If you're wanting to say good morning, we use the same word, guten, but this time with morgen. Guten Morgen. With good evening, probably from around 5 p.m. onwards, you would use the phrase guten Abend, good evening. Guten Abend. And finally, to say good night, just before someone goes to bed to go to sleep, you would use the phrase gute Nacht. The word gute is slightly different here because the word Nacht is a feminine noun. Tag, Morgen and Abend were all masculine, and so the word for good will change depending on the gender of the noun. It's a good idea to pause the video now, either to recap the phrases we've covered so far, to practice your pronunciation, or to make a note of the spellings. Now, if you're watching this video with a view to speaking German in Austria, there might be some different ways of saying hello that you need to be aware of. In Austria, some common ways to do this are Servus, Grüß Gott, and Grüß dich, which might even sound like grüß dich, depending on where you are. Similarly, in Switzerland, the most common ways to say hello are grüezi, sali, and hoi. Sagt ihr etwas anderes? Do you say anything different as a form of greeting? Perhaps the German-speaking country or territory you're from has a particularly unique way of saying hello. Please do let us know in the comments below. Bitte schreibt einen Kommentar. Finally, please don't forget to click subscribe to receive all of my German videos, language learning tips and updates. Otherwise, from me, it's Danke und auf Wiedersehen.